Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Calm app how to set timer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set a timer on the Calm app, what you need to do is head over and open up your Calm app, and then once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well with the Calm credentials. Now once you are logged in, on the bottom bar you'll be seeing bunch of options, and among them you'll find the option that says sleep right here. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, you'll be sent to the sleep section. Now here all you gotta do is just simply select one of the categories or the sounds or the music that you want, and all you gotta do is tap on it, and then here you'll find the option with music, that is 50 minutes, and with waves, that is 50 minutes as well. Then tap on search bar, and here you can simply search for an category. Then once the result loads, select which one that you want to play. Then on tapping it, you'll be provided with bunch of options to select the timer for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 30 minutes. Simply select one, and once you do that, this timer will be set up. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.